To the Equip4you unboxing video, part of the Equip4you CARE series. In this video is a Karcher WD3 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Included accessories are the vacuum suction hose, the vacuum suction tubes, the floor tool with dry and wet function, the dry filter, the wet filter, the black sponge, transport wheels and the vacuum filter bag. To attach the transport wheels, simply push into the bottom of the machine. For wet function, slide the black sponge filter over the shaft. To attach the motor head, line up the grooves onto the container and then simply push down the black clips, connecting it to the bottom container. For wet function, simply slide in the squeegees into the bottom of the floor tool until you hear click. For dry use, place the filter bag on the inside of the unit. Over the dry filter over the black shaft, and remember to turn the grey clip into lock. For dry use, connect the black brushes into the end of the floor tool until clicking is heard. All attachments can simply slide onto the end of the tubes for attachment. For longer reach, attach the vacuum tubes together by sliding them into each other. When connecting the vacuum hose, push the clip into the front of the unit until you hear the click. The same method is used when you're using the blower function located on the rear of the unit. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.